What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete pages from a PDF file. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Sometimes, you may find yourself with a PDF document that contains unnecessary pages. Perhaps these pages are no longer relevant, or you may need to trim down your document for more concise presentation. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to ilovepdf.com. This website is a popular choice for handling various PDF editing tasks. On the website, find and select the Remove Pages tool. This tool is specifically designed for deleting pages from a PDF file. Once you're in the tool, you'll see an option to upload your PDF file. You can usually drag and drop the file into the designated area, or use the Upload button to select the file from your computer. After your file is uploaded, it will display thumbnails of all the pages in the PDF. Click on the pages that you want to delete. You'll notice a red cross sign appearing on these selected pages, indicating that they are marked for removal. Once you've selected all the pages you want to delete, click on the Remove Pages button. The website will process your request and remove the selected pages from your document. After the process is complete, the site will typically provide a link to download the modified PDF file. This new file will be the same as your original, minus the pages you removed. There are also paid applications like Adobe Acrobat that offer more advanced PDF editing capabilities, including page deletion, but this method allows any user to remove pages from their PDF file. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.